Hi everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of EWA app. You will click on settings. In this page, you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here you will search about EWA app and you will click. In this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. We click on clear cache. Then we go to Play Store as you see, and you will search about the application of EWA. Then you will uninstall your app and you will install it again. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your